Hello everyone. Vlookup is one of the most powerful functions in Excel, and in today's video I will show you how to use the Vlookup function more efficiently. In this example, I have a couple of employee IDs and I would like to look up their full name, department, and salary from this employee data table here. And I do not want to do the VLOOKUP for each column one at a time. I want to be able to do all the lookup in one single formula. To do this, I will select all these rows and hit the equal button on my keypad and then select the first value here. I forgot to type the VLOOKUP, so VLOOKUP first, hit tab, and then here's my lookup value. I'm going to hit comma, and then I'm going to go to this table and select all of the columns. Hit comma, and this is where the magic happens. Usually, if I wanted to do the VLOOKUP one column at a time, I will first start with the full name, put in 2 here, and then when I'm done, I do another VLOOKUP, put in 5 to represent the department, and then when I'm done, I'm going to use 6. That is inefficient, so I will use the curly brackets, open curly brackets as so, and put in 2, comma, 5, comma, 6, and close the curly brackets. What I'm telling Excel here is I want to return all of these columns in one single formula. And I'm going to double click exact match because that's the type of VLOOKUP that I want to do, and close parenthesis. Now, this is where the second magic happens. We have to press Control and Enter at the same time. If you use the Enter key alone, it's not going to work. But once you do Control Enter, boom, all of your data just fills up all of the other cells, and you don't have to do the VLOOKUP per column one at a time. If you find this content useful, share with others, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.